In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker with microphone, by the way. And this is from the company Crave, the Crave Curve. I had this thing out. I listened to it last night. It was absolutely phenomenal. I really like the sound out of this. Let's just kind of like go over some of the specs on this thing. Bluetooth range is 66 foot. It's USB charge. It's a 5 volt, so it's got a USB charge coming in. It's 10 watts of output. Frequencies 90 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Dimensions is 7, 7.8, 2.3, and 2.3 inches that way and this away. So it's the same on that. And it also has a 3.5 jack input. It's got enhanced bass. It's got controls on the top. You know what? Enough of that. It's an intelligent speaker. How about that? Let's just open it up. Very nicely presented. I really like this box. Very nice quality. Oh, look how on the inside, they put everything. I tell you, guys, I've used a lot of these speakers in the past, and this has been one of the better ones. Very nicely presented. Looks like you get a USB mini. I do wish they had a USB-C in there. And looking at the little set of instructions, a little user guide, but I can tell y'all, if you've ever used a Bluetooth speaker, it's pretty simple to use. Now, when I first turned mine on, it did a search for my cell phone, so I won't need to do that. So let's just turn it on. You're gonna hold that. You hear that? So holding that down. Let me play some classical music, because classical music will not get me demonetized. It's hard to describe what something sounds like in the video, but everybody listen to this. So you can see right here on my phone, I'm turning it up. Oh, if you double click that, it skips, by the way. So if you hold this down, it will skip. So you need to just barely tap it, and that'll get it all the way. So now it's maxed out. There is a pause. I'm showing you all the features here. Looking at the bottom, the power output is 10 watts times 2. I think that's each speaker. Look at the quality of this thing. It has a curved design, and it has a very deep, rich bass to it. I was very impressed with how this thing sounded. I have used a lot of like speakers. This looks very premium, so this is something that you would set on your desk, or kind of like in your car, or maybe just set it on the back of a bike or something to kind of like, let's just unpause that. So hold that down. There we go. Check that out. Just pause that. Yeah, everybody, this is something I'm going to be using along my travels, whether I'm camping or just kind of like chilling out at like on a beach somewhere. You can play some music, or just kind of like on your bike riding around, and to turn it off, you're just going to kind of turn it off. So there's the charge port in the back and the 3.5 millimeter jack right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Crave Curve. See you all in the next video.